Alright guys, now let's say if you want to add 4 simple little pockets on this page, how we start. First of all, I like to start to see what the middle is, and mine is 7 inch, so that will be 3.5. And then of course I need to know what the middle of this one is. That's 9, so that would be a 4.5. So this is my middle right here. So that, with that I know now, because the rest I don't do any measurements. I hate that. I'm just gonna make a mark. So here is my middle and here is my middle. So first I just, let's see what I think I'm gonna use this side. Alright, so I am just gonna start first with a flippity flop, so I don't have to measure anything. Just gonna grab a big page and I'm just gonna make a flippity flop. Fold it down, burnish it down so it's nice and straight. Here we go. Then I do like, and I'm not gonna cut anything just yet, I'm just gonna fold it down this corner right here. Fold it down. Alright, now we come back to our page. Alright, so we have a bottom piece right here and a side one. So now we can place this on the left side, just stay 1 millimeter away and just move it to your fold line. And now I'm gonna make this fold line, so I'm just gonna make a mark with the same place as my middle mark is, and there I want my next fold line to be. And I'm just gonna keep it just a slightly on the left side where I made that mark. So it's gonna be a little smaller because we don't want the pockets too thick. And the rest we just can cut it down 1/2 inch, and there you go. Well, it's not finished yet, of course, but almost. There we go, fold it down. Alright, now we come to this direction. So I'm just gonna fold the bottom piece, place it down at the bottom, and same thing with this one. And I think we are going to make it lower. So yeah, we are going to measure just a little tiny bit because I don't want the top pocket go against the other pocket right here to the bottom of the next pocket. So we don't want that because anything that you want to put inside will be not fitting. So we are going to make a little mark, and I think 1 inch is nice from the top. And I also gonna do that on the top right here. So I'm gonna stay 1 inch from each top. Now this is also the top. Yeah, I'm gonna explain. I hope it makes sense. Alright, so I'm gonna get back my pocket that it's too large, of course. And I have my fold line, fold. And I'm just gonna go again to the bottom of this page. And then I go till the mark that is 1 inch lower than the middle. Alright, and that is my cut. Here we go, and maybe, can we? Yeah, I think we can, maybe, we can make another pocket out of the other one that we just made. You can make the same size as this one. So you're just gonna place this on top and we just can make a mark, and that is what we're gonna cut off. Here we go. Pretty simple, isn't it? Alright, so I am gonna put some tape on all the way around. Go. Cut the corners so you don't have any unnecessary bulk. There we go. Fold everything in and just check. You do want to have this nice. Alright, check. Left side. Oh, nice. So I even can stay away nicely. I think I even can put these together and then see how much you have left on the left and the right side. So they are equal. So yeah, I do have a 2mm away from the edges. Perfect. I love that. And we have that 1 inch where the next one is going to be. Alright, so yeah. So now I'm gonna make the other one. You can just use these, but I'm just gonna use my method. Love it. Yep, I'm just gonna make another 1/2 inch. So we have 2 score lines. One bottom, one sideways. Here we go. Burnish that down, and now I'm gonna see actually the same size. The same size. Again, just make a mark. Fold it. Cut it down, 1/2 inch. And then from this one, exactly the same, bottom. Place this down on that middle that you created, and here we also have that 1 inch away. So yep, let's just place a mark, and it should be the same size as this one. Oh yes, it is. Nice. See, it's not that difficult. Make some marks, guys. Make some marks. Yep. I think we can make another one. And here we go. Cut it down. And then you have your 4 pockets. Super cool. Alright, so yep, same thing. I'm gonna add some of the tape and then gonna decorate. Yes. Fun. Yeah, cool. Alright, and then when everything is settled and decorated, then it looks like this. Super cute. I think it's super cute. Alright, so of course I started at the bottom. I put first the bottom, as I normally do with any pocket, then put some purple tape on and put them down. I did use my bone folder again to make nice pockets that not too tight. Then of course the second layer, and as you can see, 1 inch open, 1 inch open, perfect. Inside I just put some little booklets inside. All 4 are the same. You still can add some note paper in here, just a few pages would be awesome to make little notebooks. I did not do that just yet, but you always can do that. I started with decorating with a 1/2 inch strip on top. Then I put the lower decoration paper on it. As you can see, I used 2 different ones, well 4 different ones actually. And then again I just used a round circle punch to make this notch. And then I just make the booklet. So yeah, super cute. And then my page can go back on its place. That's the pocket that we made earlier. Super cool. And just put something inside. Just like that. You can leave it like this, but I think I love this. Super cool. But of course I still need to do the back, but I think it's so cool to put this on here as a little stopper. So what do you think? I think this page looks so cool. So this is pretty steady. Yeah, I still can do the back, of course, with our flip. So let's see, but if you want to use this paper clip, then don't make the back too thick. You need to consider that or a flippable that has a place for that. So you have to be a little bit careful. But okay, so I think it's super cute. So you just have to remove this, open. You can pull this out. You can flip this open to reveal these little pockets. Oh my gosh, I love it! Love, love, love it! Alright, see you next time. Bye bye. So cute. I can play this all day long. I just love it. Alright. Till next one. Okay, real quick, what I did on the back. I cut out a nice incision. I put 2 tags in here. And then I just made a little tuck part. Just plain design paper. Not any pocket. Just glue down the sides and the bottom. And then you have a little tuck spot. So to add little stuff in here. As much as you want. And you still can add a picture right here at the back if you want. And yep, and then I have made 2 tags which you can write something on the back if you want. Put this in here. And then my little paper clip still fits. It still fits. Super cute. Yes, there we go. Cool, cool, cool. So very simple. I did not do much at the back, but still cute. Alright, that is my page. Bye bye.